Yeah, it's the one that needs the wiring done. You made it.
Made it, it's not that far.
No, no,
Just so you can see that I actually got a
Okay.
clean title, you know, like. So good I gave them up.
Perfect.
Look at that.
I think you took it out of gear, right?
Yes. Okay. So I'll pop it back in gear real quick. I'll let you get these. I'll pop it in gear.
Sounds good. I wanted to make sure I got these before the front ones if it was in
Oh,
the gear.
for sure.
Let me know when you're ready.
Brakes off.
Alright, go for push. Okay.
Alright, we're in gear at least.
Alright.
Yeah, I hate this driveway.
Yeah, I can see.
Let me grab a
Wheel truck.
Yeah, let me grab my wheel check. Oh, it's nice synthetic rope.
Oh yeah. I picked up a lot from my 4-wheel drive days.
Oh, I'm sure.
Well, I try not to hook itself onto the rope is what I try not to
Oh,
do.
yeah. That's. No, but I was just thinking. No.
I mean, I might have a strap that I can.
I might have something. Hold on. To tie down for a motorcycle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Same difference.
So
Oh, yeah.
that's not part of the spark. What spark?
All right. Let's steer this puppy. All right, we're good. All right.
Oh, just driving and put things sideways now.
That's all right. We're good. That's good enough.
Huh?
That's good enough.
Okay.
There anymore.
What do you think? You got a Baja?
Yeah.
Baja!
Baja.
Baja.
Baja, Baja. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and change the oil on this before we try to get to run. The oil looks a little milky, so we'll go ahead and change the oil. Check the screen also and make sure there's nothing floating around in there. I doubt there would be because it's a fresh rebuilt motor, but you never know, so let's do that.
Oh, let me get down here. You know what you're doing? You know what you're doing?
Absolutely not.
Excellent.
Professional idiot.
It's the Volkswagen way.
Let's see if I can get nothing on my hand.
Oh, you'll get something on your hand. You're gonna hit the camera.
That's okay.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I got a little bit.
Don't that all over the driveway, dingus. It's actually not looking horrible, but it doesn't hurt. All right.
It's not terrible. It's a little, I don't know if it's just my eyes or what, but it looks a little off to me. But that's why we're doing this. We're gonna let that finish draining for a little bit longer, and then we're gonna pop the screen off that's right there and see if there's anything in that screen.
No washers on it. That I can see. Oh boy, that one's coming out. Some of the studs are coming out with it. And another stud. This strainer might just actually fall.
Hope not. That'd be a mess.
Well, only for you to clean up.
Me?
Yeah. Kind of difficult to get to with the cage there.
Yeah.
There it goes. All right. Ah!
You still did it anyway.
Yeah, good job, genius.
Me?
Yep.
I didn't even do anything.
You weren't filming correctly. That's why it
I'm
happened.
filming correctly, I think.
No, you're
From what
not.
I can see, the little bit I can.
Yeah. It's hot in here in the sun.
But it really is.
Wish you'd hurry up.
Yeah, you really should.
I know. All right, there we go. Let's take a peek. Well, a little dirty, but it's nothing. There's no chunks or anything like that. So clean it up, get it back, put back together, and get some oil in it.
So there wasn't anything floating around in there, which is good. So we're gonna put that screen back on, put the drain plug back in it, and fill up some oil.
Ready?
Yep. Stop, stop, stop. You got oil.
Got oil?
Yep.
Alright,
you got
guys.
oil.
This is no good, so
You got some oil.
we got oil.
We got oil.
All right.
It's a good thing.
All right, let's do this. Is the wire still over there on the alternator?
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool. Hopefully I didn't smoke the distributor. All right, accelerator. All right, first gear.
Hey, you want me to move the wheel chocks?
No, it's a Baja.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, if you say so.
Woohoo!
We good?
Come on, I only got 2 feet.
I was asking if we're good.
Shut the door.
It is shut.
I think I'm in first.
Your taillights are on.
Taillights are on?
Yeah,
What?
I think.
Runs like crap.
Really does.
And the gas is older than crap too, so brakes work. We're Baja in.
Baja.
Hey!
Baja.
Man.
Really does run like crap.
Yeah, it's a really old gas, probably a gummed up carburetor.
True. Oh,
Possible accelerator pump.
possibly. I'm coming up on a vehicle.
Ah! We can go over them.
In your dreams.
Yeah. All right, that was fun.
All right, so it's the next morning. We're gonna go over a real quick, complete overview of the whole car. All right, so starting up at the front, it's bug-eyed. It's got the Baja kit. in here you can see that somebody did start to rewire it, but clearly did not finish it. That's pretty much it for up there. Crap, there's no pain to put back on. Okay, so and we got this bar. This is a 1969, by the way. It's got pretty cool running boards. It's got a 3-inch body lift. One-piece windows, unfortunately. A sunroof. We got minimal rust on the sides, you know, and some bubble rust back here. We got minimal rust. Inside's decent. Got some GPS there, radio there, some gauges over there, you know. Yeah, probably gonna need new seats because these don't slide at all and we can barely fit in there because they're so far forward. Moving over to the back, doing the sniff test. You doing the sniff test? We just got a stock mystery fresh rebuild 1600 in here. That was in it. It's got like less than 100 miles, I think. We gotta go through the carb and stuff like that because as you can see, it doesn't run really the best, but that's probably because one, we're using the super old gas that's in the tank. That was already in the tank, and two, the carburetor's probably gummed up. And then we just got a regular, looks like a regular old stock trans in there, so we might end up having to put like a supercharger on it or a turbo, either AMR supercharger or turbo it, because these are bigger tires than what's going on the 60. These are 31 by 10s, so we may need a little extra power to move these. Maybe, who knows, we'll have to see, but or it's probably just an excuse to give us a supercharger. So yeah, that's a quick overview of the car. I'm just glad, even though one-piece windows kind of sucks, these suck to go up and down, but it's got a sunroof. It's got a sunroof.
We're Baja-ing.